Making life cashless is a big part of the Grab ecosystem, and GrabPay is the key. It's more than just paying for your rides and food delivery. It's a comprehensive digital wallet, and knowing how to fund it is essential. So, what are the payment methods you can use to load money into your GrabPay wallet? First up, the most common and convenient way is using your credit or debit cards. GrabPay accepts major cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Simply link your preferred card in the app, and you can top up your wallet balance anytime. A crucial distinction to remember is that while you can use both credit and debit cards, some regions, like Malaysia, have introduced a small fee for credit card top-ups, while debit card and bank transfers remain free. Always check the latest fee structure for your specific country. Another very popular option is direct bank transfers or online banking. Depending on your location, this can be done through services like FPX in Malaysia or PayNow in Singapore. This is a seamless way to move funds directly from your bank account to your GrabPay wallet. In Singapore, you can even link your bank account from institutions like DBS/POSB, OCBC, and Maybank for easy top-ups. And for those who still prefer a cash option, you can top up your GrabPay balance at physical locations like 7-Eleven or other designated convenience stores in countries like Malaysia. Just generate a barcode in the app, and the cashier will handle the rest. Finally, don't forget the built-in convenience features. You can set up an auto top-up, so your wallet never runs dry, automatically deducting funds from your linked card or bank when your balance falls below a certain amount. GrabPay offers flexibility whether you're digital first with cards and online transfers, or you need to top up with cash. Maximize your digital experience by choosing the method that works best for you.